The Ethernet port configuration tool helps IT managers bring new versatility and flexibility into the data center and at the same time reduces complexity. Think of these 100 gigabit network adapters as the Swiss Army knife of Ethernet adapters. EPCT enables IT managers to configure the port speed and the number of ports on demand, reducing network adapter validation and simplifying deployments. With PCI Express 4.0 by 16 compliance, along with 8 physical MAC and SerDes, these adapters can support up to 8 physical network adapters with a combined maximum throughput of 100 gigabits and save on valuable PCI Express slot real estate. You can effectively change the configuration of the adapter to match whatever Ethernet infrastructure you're plugging it into, 10, 25, 50, or 100 gigabit Ethernet. In our first example, we're using all 8 MAC and SerDes to combine all 8 10 gigabit physical adapters onto one adapter. This maintains server and switch fault tolerance, helps troubleshoot cabling issues, and provides better airflow in the rack. We've all dealt with the mess of cables coming from our servers and have devised methods for dealing with them. One adapter and less cables to deal with. With this tool and adapter, you can take up to 8 physical network adapters and combine them into just one PCI Express slot, eliminating most of the network cables at the back of the server. So whether you're connecting to a 10 or 100 gigabit switch, by utilizing either 2 QSFP Plus to SFP Plus splitter cables or 2 QSFP Plus straight-through cables, you can achieve the same results and free up PCI Express slots and greatly simplify cabling. The switch and your operating system will see 8 physical ports of 10 gigabit. Next up is 4 ports of 25 gig. EPCT configures a single 100 gig port on the adapter to support either a splitter cable to several switches or a straight-through cable. If IT managers are looking for more fault tolerance at the server, the 2x2x25 gig configuration is an excellent option. In this example, the server maintains active-active link aggregation and fault tolerance with the Ethernet switches. 50 gig can also be supported, and the adapter is configured to deliver 50 gigs on each network adapter port, providing 100 gig to the server, providing server and switch fault tolerance. And finally, 2x100 gig is supported by using 2 QSFP28 cables to provide 100 gig support. The Ethernet port configuration tool enables many port and speed combinations, simplifies validation and deployment, saves on valuable PCI Express resources, and adapts to most network infrastructures. Learn how the 800 series is helping to move data faster at intel.com/Ethernet. Thanks for joining.